All of these flowers.
Shut up.
You know there's more on the other vine. We got some ginger popping back up. What you got there?
So I'm harvesting our sorrel.
Here you go.
We got a whole lot, I think.
What's in the basket?
We got some butterfly peas right here. So beautiful.
Right.
That's the flower, and then this is the actual pod.
Hopefully they're not woody this time because we didn't wait as long to pick them.
They're so small, but they look like they're ready to go. Like these ones, because they're turning black. What do you think?
I don't know. I know they're usually not ready until they start to open up.
Right.
They actually really like heat, so I doubt it. You know, you always gotta listen to your Jamaican grandma.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna be using this sorrel to make sorrel in 3 different ways. The first way that I'm gonna be making it is in a jam. So first you need to soak all of your sorrel. Make sure you soak it with vinegar just to kill any critters that may be there and strain off the water. Next, you're gonna separate the calyxes, the leaves, and the pods. The reason behind separating them is because the pods contains a natural pectin that will allow your jelly to naturally thicken without the adding of any cornstarch. So separate the calyxes and give those another good rinse after you're finished. While you're doing that, get a pot of water boiling on medium heat. Don't cover the pot too much because you don't need that much liquid to extract the pectin. Once you've got the pectin boiling, boil it a little longer to make it a little thicker. Set that aside and start your sorrel in another pot. Cook that up the same way that you did the pectin with a little water. And once the sorrel has cooked to where it is soft and mushy, you can now add it to your blender and half sugar and then blend it up. I used a NutriBullet here, so it doesn't have to be a Vitamix. The consistency can be as thick as you choose. And then jar it up. And now you have sorrel jelly. You have to let it sit to get cool. And voila. Now we'll be using the rest of the sorrel to make chutney. This you can just cook down in a regular saucepan and add seasoning. The leaves that we separated can be used as such as well. So however you want to garnish a dish with them is your choosing. They have a sweet cranberry-like taste. Until next time, thank you, lovers. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our newest content and like this video. It does so much for us over at the homestead, and we really, really appreciate it. Love ya.